Hi, glad to see you in good health. Honey is a natural elixir brimming with an array of beneficial compounds that contribute to its status as a superfood. At the core of honey's nutritional profile are its natural sugars, primarily fructose and glucose, which provide a quick and easily digestible source of energy. In addition to these simple carbohydrates, honey contains a variety of vitamins, including vitamin B6, thiamine, niacin, riboflavin, pantothenic acid, and certain amino acids, all of which play vital roles in metabolic processes and overall health. Minerals are another crucial component of honey, with significant amounts of calcium, iron, magnesium, manganese, phosphorus, potassium, sodium, and zinc. These minerals are essential for bone health, immune function, and maintaining a balanced diet. Honey is also rich in antioxidants, such as flavonoids and phenolic acids, which help to neutralize free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and lowering the risk of chronic diseases. Furthermore, honey possesses antibacterial and antifungal properties, thanks to its enzymatic production of hydrogen peroxide and its naturally low pH. These properties make it effective for wound healing and combating infections. The prebiotic properties of honey, largely due to oligosaccharides, also promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, supporting digestive health. Enzymes like glucose oxidase, diastase, invertase, and catalase found in honey enhance its digestive and therapeutic qualities. Honey's anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is beneficial for conditions such as arthritis and sore throats. Additionally, its soothing effect can help alleviate coughs and respiratory issues, making it a common ingredient in natural remedies. In summary, honey is a nutrient-dense substance loaded with natural sugars, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, enzymes, and prebiotics. Its composition not only provides energy but also supports immune function, promotes digestive health, aids in wound healing, and offers numerous other health benefits. Integrating honey into your diet can be a sweet and simple way to enhance your overall well-being. Honey is a versatile ingredient that, when combined with other natural substances, can create powerful remedies for various ailments and boost overall health and vitality. One popular combination is honey and lemon, often used to soothe sore throats and coughs. The lemon provides vitamin C, which boosts the immune system, while honey coats the throat and reduces irritation. Another effective remedy is honey and ginger tea, which is excellent for digestive health and alleviating nausea. Ginger has strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that complement honey's soothing effects, making this blend ideal for treating colds and indigestion. Honey and cinnamon is a classic mixture known for its health benefits, including lowering cholesterol and supporting cardiovascular health. Cinnamon's anti-inflammatory properties, paired with honey's antioxidants, its effective for managing blood sugar levels and enhancing overall heart health. For skin ailments, honey and turmeric paste can be used. Turmeric's curcumin compound is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, which, when combined with honey, can help treat acne, soothe burns, and promote wound healing. A blend of honey and apple cider vinegar is another potent remedy, often used for weight management and improving digestion. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar can help with fat burning and appetite control, while honey adds a touch of sweetness and additional nutrients. Honey and garlic is a natural immune booster. Garlic's allicin, combined with honey's antimicrobial properties, makes this mixture effective for fighting infections, reducing blood pressure, and improving cholesterol levels. For a calming effect, honey and chamomile tea can be consumed. Chamomile is known for its relaxing properties, which help reduce anxiety and promote better sleep, while honey enhances the flavor and provides additional soothing benefits. Combining honey and aloe vera can create a powerful topical treatment for skin irritations, burns, and wounds. Aloe vera's healing properties, along with honey's antibacterial effects, help to speed up skin regeneration and reduce infection risk. Honey and black seed oil is another potent combination used in traditional medicine to enhance vitality and boost the immune system. Black seed oil's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties complement honey's nutrients, making this blend beneficial for overall health maintenance. Finally, honey and ginseng is a popular mixture in traditional Eastern medicine for boosting energy and improving mental clarity. Ginseng's adaptogenic properties help the body cope with stress, while honey provides a natural energy source. These honey-based remedies harness the power of natural ingredients to treat various health issues, from digestive problems to skin conditions, and enhance general well-being. Incorporating these blends into your routine can provide natural, effective solutions for a range of health concerns. Honey is not only a beloved natural sweetener, but also an ingredient with versatile applications beyond consumption, enhancing a range of products for personal care, beauty, and household use. Honey-based soaps are popular for their moisturizing and antibacterial properties, making them ideal for sensitive skin and for reducing acne. The natural enzymes and nutrients in honey help to keep the skin hydrated and promote a healthy glow. Honey-infused shampoos and conditioners leverage honey's humectant properties, which attract and retain moisture, providing deep hydration for the scalp and hair. These products are particularly beneficial for dry, damaged hair, leaving it soft, shiny, and manageable. Similarly, honey hair masks are used to condition and repair hair, enhancing its strength and elasticity. In the realm of skincare, honey face masks and scrubs are highly regarded. Honey's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties make it effective for treating acne and soothing irritated skin. Its natural exfoliating properties help remove dead skin cells, promoting a clearer and more radiant complexion. Honey-based lip balms and hand creams are also popular, providing intense hydration and protection for dry, chapped skin. For wound care, medical-grade honey dressings are used due to honey's ability to promote healing and reduce infection. Honey creates a moist healing environment, which is beneficial for faster recovery of wounds, burns, and ulcers. These dressings harness honey's natural antibacterial properties to protect the skin and enhance the healing process. In addition to personal care products, honey is used in natural cleaning products due to its antimicrobial properties. Honey-based household cleaners are effective at disinfecting surfaces while being gentle and non-toxic, making them suitable for homes with children and pets. Honey is also an ingredient in aromatherapy candles and air fresheners, where its sweet, soothing scent promotes relaxation and creates a pleasant atmosphere. The calming aroma of honey can help reduce stress and enhance mood, making these products popular for home and spa use. Moreover, honey wax is used in natural furniture polish and leather conditioners. The wax provides a protective coating that enhances the shine and longevity of wooden furniture and leather goods, while the honey's natural oils help to nourish and preserve these materials. In summary, honey's versatile properties extend far beyond its nutritional value. Its moisturizing, antibacterial, and soothing qualities make it an excellent ingredient in a variety of personal care products, from soaps and shampoos to face masks and wound dressings. Honey is also valued in household cleaning products and for enhancing the aroma and preservation of home and personal items. This remarkable natural ingredient continues to find new applications, demonstrating its enduring value across numerous domains. The history of honey is a tale as old as human civilization, stretching back thousands of years to ancient times when early humans first discovered the sweet, golden nectar produced by bees. Archaeological evidence suggests that honey was used by humans as far back as 8,000 years ago, with rock paintings in Spain depicting early honey hunters. In ancient Egypt, honey was revered not only as a delectable food, but also as a symbol of wealth and an essential part of religious rituals. The Egyptians used honey in offerings to their gods, and as a key ingredient in embalming fluids for mummification. Honey was also a staple in their culinary practices and medicine, valued for its natural preservative and healing properties. The Greeks and Romans further advanced the use of honey, incorporating it into their diets and medicinal practices. Greek physicians like Hippocrates extolled the virtues of honey for its therapeutic benefits, using it to treat wounds, coughs, and various illnesses. The Romans continued this tradition, and honey was a crucial part of Roman cuisine and medicine. They also used honey to ferment into mead, an alcoholic beverage enjoyed by many ancient cultures. As trade routes expanded during the Middle Ages, honey became a valuable commodity throughout Europe and Asia. It was used in everything from cooking and baking to brewing mead and as a sweetener before the widespread availability of sugar. Monastic communities in medieval Europe were known for their beekeeping practices, which contributed significantly to the cultivation and spread of honey production. In more recent history, the introduction of modern beekeeping techniques in the 19th century revolutionized honey production. The invention of the movable frame hive by Lorenzo Langstroth in 1852 allowed for more efficient and humane honey extraction, leading to a surge in honey availability. This innovation, coupled with advances in transportation and agriculture, made honey more accessible to a broader population. Today, honey remains a cherished and versatile substance, produced and consumed worldwide. It is celebrated not only for its sweet taste, but also for its numerous health benefits and uses in various industries, from food and beverages to cosmetics and medicine. Modern scientific research continues to uncover the myriad properties of honey, reaffirming its status as a timeless natural treasure. The journey of honey from ancient times to the present day reflects its enduring appeal and the deep connection between humans and this remarkable product of nature. Slovenian beekeepers are celebrated for their dedication to preserving traditional practices while also innovating within the field. This small country is home to the Carniolan honeybee, a native species prized for its gentle nature and prolific honey production. The Carniolan bee is a symbol of national pride and an integral part of Slovenian culture and biodiversity. The Carniolan bee is a symbol of national pride and an integral part of Slovenian culture and biodiversity. The importance of honeybees in Slovenia goes beyond mere beekeeping. It permeates the cultural and social fabric of the nation. The Slovenian word umreti illustrates the deep connection between humans and bees. This word, which means to die, is uniquely used in Slovenian beekeeping to refer to the death of bees, symbolizing the reverence and respect beekeepers have for their bees, almost equating them to human beings. Nuance reflects the privileged status of bees in Slovenian society, underscoring their vital role in the ecosystem and agriculture beings. Slovenia's love for bees and honey is celebrated annually on May 20th, World Bee Day, a global initiative proposed by the Slovenian Beekeepers Association and endorsed by the United Nations. This day aims to raise awareness about the importance of bees, the threats they face, and their crucial role in sustainable development and food security. Slovenia's commitment to bee conservation and sustainable beekeeping practices is a testament to their understanding of bees' indispensable contribution to nature and human life. In Slovenia, honey is not just a sweet treat, but a cherished part of the national identity. The country boasts numerous honey-based products, from traditional dishes to innovative health and beauty products. Apitourism, a unique form of tourism centered around beekeeping, is also thriving in Slovenia, inviting visitors to experience the world of bees firsthand, learn about beekeeping, and enjoy honey tastings and bee-related wellness treatments. In summary, Slovenia's deep-seated love and respect for honey and honeybees are evident in its cultural practices, language, and national policies. The Carniolan honeybee holds a special place in the hearts of Slovenians, symbolizing the harmonious relationship between humans and nature. Through initiatives like World Bee Day, Slovenia continues to lead the global effort to protect these essential pollinators and promote the benefits of honey, ensuring that both the bees and the traditions surrounding them thrive for generations to come.